Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Microsoft To Do login problems, sync and account errors step by step clearly.
Start by checking your internet connection.
Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network.
Next, close the Microsoft To Do app completely. On a mobile device, swipe it away from your recent applications. On a desktop, right-click the app in the taskbar and select Close Window. Now, reopen the Microsoft To Do app. If the app still won't load, check if any updates are available.
For Windows, open the Microsoft Store and click on Downloads and Updates to see if To Do needs updating. For mobile devices, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Microsoft To Do.
If updates are available, install them before proceeding. After updating, try logging in again.
If you're encountering a specific error message, take note of it.
Search online for the exact error message or code you see. This may provide specific solutions tailored to that issue. If the problem persists, try resetting the app. On Windows, go to Settings, Apps and Features.
Find Microsoft To Do, click on it, and select Advanced Options.
Scroll down and click Reset.
For mobile devices, go to Settings, Apps.
Select Microsoft To Do and choose Storage, then tap Clear Cache.
Now, go back and try logging in one more time.
If the sync error continues, check your Microsoft account status. Log into the Microsoft website and ensure your account is active.
Look for any alerts or security notifications that might require action.
Consider signing in from a different device or browser to see if the problem is device-specific.
If all else fails, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app.
On Windows, go to Settings, Apps and uninstall Microsoft To Do. On mobile, hold down the app icon and select Uninstall.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.